Hello guys, good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the delta lamps controlled by a magnetic contactor E and B with two off stations. This is a control circuit. Ang line 1 connect sa off push button A, then ang another terminal patungo sa off push button B, then terminal sa push button B connected sa on push button. And then 13 and 14 normally open contact sa contactor, then ang A, then contactor B is line 2. Then i-on natin, dalo yung kuryente dito sa contactor. Pagko-close, activate, then magno-normally close, hold siya. Then tuloy-tuloy yung ang contactor gumagana. Then ito activate yung power light. Pag gumana ng contactor guys, ito line 1, line 2, line 3, contactor, main contact 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then ang 2 naka-connect yung dulo ng ilaw sa A, ang kabilang A patungo sa main contact 4. Then ang another terminal sa main contact 4 naka-connect sa lamp B. O ang lamp B another terminal papunta sa main contact number 6. Then another terminal sa light C connect sa 6, naka-series siya sa B. The same also sa A and C connect sa line 2. Sa main contact 2. Tapos mag-activate siya ang contactor. Tapos gumana, nagko-close. Tapos umilaw yung tatlong ilaw. Tapos patayin dito sa off switch, off, matay, deactivate siya. Off ng contactor, di magana, nag-open, then patay ang ilaw. Tapos i-on na naman uli, back on, ganang contactor, magko-close contact, then umilaw yung ilaw. Then patayin natin sa B, push button, off, push button off B, off. Tapos deactivate yung contactor, bumibitaw to, then walang contact, patay din tong contactor, mamamatay yung ilaw. Bible verse of the day sa Book of Revelation chapter 17 verse 14. They shall make war with the lamp, and the lamp shall overcome them. For he is Lord of lords and King of kings, and they that are with him are called and chosen and faithful. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.